Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pyto IDE app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pyto IDE is a mobile integrated development environment that allows users to write and run Python code directly on their iOS devices. It supports various libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, SciPy, and more, making it suitable for data analysis, scripting, and general Python programming on the go. You can also import external scripts and run code in separate consoles. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is lightweight and offers a clean, functional interface that's easy to navigate. Many users appreciate the ability to code offline, run scripts quickly, and even execute Jupyter-like notebooks. It's especially handy for students or professionals who want to experiment or test small snippets without needing a full desktop setup. That said, it's not without limitations. Some users report occasional crashes with larger scripts or memory-heavy operations. The UI, while simple, can feel cramped on smaller screens. Also, advanced debugging tools and terminal support are limited compared to desktop IDEs. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Pyto IDE is a solid option if you want a portable Python coding tool for quick edits, learning, or experimenting with code. It's not a full replacement for desktop IDEs, but a very capable companion for on-the-go coding. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.